A process is almost too sophisticated a word for it. I go there and kind of just zone in or zone out and feel it, and words come is really what happens. It kind of speaks to you. This first occurred on Lewis, and I have to say it was only afterwards I discovered that it is the same sheet of rock. Lewisian gneiss, one of the oldest rocks on the planet. So I kind of feel that somehow or other everything that's happened on that piece of ground is absorbed by it. And if you tune your radio into the right stations, somehow or other we've got a faculty that allows us to pick some of that up. That's as much as I know. My focus really is, although it's stimulated by the landscape, the focus is on the human being. And that's probably the time scale that is most important to me. But even the word time, it's a hypothesis. Has anybody ever seen a time? What you've got is memory, and we give that a name called the past. What we've got is speculation and imagination, and we give that a name called the future, but in actual fact all we've got is the living present. And all these memories and speculations bubble up in the present. That's time for me. If we think about rock, we might think further back. If we think about the shopping tomorrow, we might think really close in, but it's all just concept. It's always there. Now, there is only now.